Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01793 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user call C #scott, which I already created. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL query. So here I am going to create one table called Vista. So which contains around 36 columns. Okay, so which contains around 36 columns. So you can see table Vista is got created. Now I am going to create one index for this Vista table, which is the combination of these 36 columns. Okay, so I am going to index all the 36 columns of the Vista table. So create index Vista index on Vista. See here, after executing this query, ORA-01793 maximum number of index column is 32 error is thrown, which means that you can combine 32 columns in one single index. So more than that will throw this ORA-01793 error. So now I am creating the index with 32 columns and executing the query. You can see index is created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-01793 issue.